Hello everyone, Tanner here again with another leather review. So today I want to talk to you about the sheepskin options we have here. By the way, sheepskin is a less known article in the craftsman world. I want to bring it to your attention so you might start thinking of different designs leveraging this amazing, beautiful article. It has a great touch, super soft, super silky finishes usually we make with sheepskins. This is what I grew up making my entire life. This is kind of like my expertise. And I just love the touch of it. This is an aniline piece. It's just gorgeous. You see the skin. And people, big brands use this for usually high-end ladies' purses and bags. And to give you an example, I'm going to show you some screens from web, the options that made with similar sheepskins and how much they go for in the high brand fashion world. So let's take a look. Here I have Bottega Veneta, which is a good brand that uses sheepskins a lot in their designs, almost exclusively. All these bags, as you see, $2,000, $3,500, $1,000, they're super expensive. Again, this is great leather, great products, and they use a very particular and sophisticated woven technique on their bags designs. But again, you're buying more of a status than the leather here, which we're gonna get to the cost of this leather at the end of this video. So some other options here. This is the $3,500 option of Bottega Veneta. This is super soft, shiny, great touch leather. It's lambskin. Same thing from Chanel. This is a $5,000 purse, but again, the same idea. This is sheepskin with some very sophisticated stitching detail, cushioning. Louis Vuitton has similar items with their signature logo, $4,000. And the cheapest option, this is a bag from a Monsieur Gabriel brand that I wasn't familiar before. Super soft, shiny looking. It's about $500. This is fairly good price, and this came up from my sheepskin search. So anyways, this is to give you an idea how they're used in the industry. And if you're considering to make things for your women's line and much fancier articles, bags, this is the way to go. This is much softer, much pleasant to touch with in comparison to your cowhides. Most of the cowhides don't offer this super silky smooth thing. We can achieve it, but usually lambskin is the way to go. This is a beautiful color we have here. Most of these articles are at about 2.5 ounce weight, 1 millimeter thickness. It can be done thinner too, but I think this is as thin as we usually go. You craft these things with a support material behind it since it's not as thick, but that's just gorgeous feel, look, and touch. It comes with this. And the colors are usually very vibrant with a glossy finish on it. There's a typical black one. They're not as soft. There's a little stiffness to it to have structure in your bags. But this will get softer as you use it. You will start breaking into this. The grains will start popping more, as you see here. And the softness and the shine and the slippery touch will increase as you play with it, as you use your purse. It's gorgeous articles. And there's a lot of pastel colors available. One is super light cloud blue here. Same with high fashion alignment and design. There is a green color, and I just dropped the purple one here. And as I said, the price on these articles are going to be about $6 a foot, and a bag of that sort is not going to consume more than 6, 7, well, let's say 10 square foot of leather. That makes you at a cost of $60 for the leather of that bag. The $3,000 price tags is more for the status. But again, I don't have a problem with this one because now you're getting a great leather, the lambskin item, and you're paying the price tag for the status. I have a problem with when you're getting a Louis Vuitton bag, just the canvas, their most typical item, not even leather, thinking you're getting a great leather bag and paying the similar price tags. So this one, I'm really okay with that. Bottega Veneta, I really like it. Sometimes I buy stuff from them for my wife, but lambskin is their bread and butter, and we're trying to make this available for you so you can use similar articles to craft beautiful pieces in this space. We're going to bring this to Tennerstein website, make it available in small batches at those price points so you can start experimenting with it. Happy crafting.